right now on an adventure with my friend. So let's go. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry, Cosmito. I just did that like so fast. Come on, let's grow these crops. Let's grow these crops. Grow these crops. Recording. Grow those crops. Grow those crops. Recording. Recording. Come
I'm gonna grow those crops.
She's like, let's grow these crops. Tee 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 tee. Tee hee 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 bitty. Tee hee tee bitty bitty. Okay, she's like, okay. She's, if you people can't read, she said, okay, hi. Lows. Derp, derp, derp,
Plant those crops. Plant those crops.
Plant
No,
those
like you
derp,
just don't
derp,
care.
derp.
Like you just
Those
don't
jerky, jerky, jerky. One last crop. I know where this one is, I think.
You know, people
Yep.
are gonna love my party when I get bean bags.
Derp, derp.
Please send me bean bags at mail time. And
Shut
Taylor too.
up.
Thank you.
No one cares about beanbags. Beanbags are like for beanbag chairs.
Yeah, I need it for my dinner.
No one cares about your face. I call Nick the, okay, I call Honey then. I call Honey. It's all about the money. No.
Money.
I call Honey.
You can rhyme.
Honey, bunny,
You can rhyme
bunny,
way
bunny.
easier with money with honey.
Oh, that's
Money,
orange.
honey,
Where's Honey?
honey,
Where's the
honey,
bee
honey,
tree,
honey,
man? I
And
forgot
we
where-
got nickel.
Where's the honey? I forgot where the honey is, you know, before she steals it off me. Derpy, derpy, derp, derp. No!
Wrong place.
No!
You clicked it.
Get out of there. Where's the honey? Tell me.
I don't know. You have to work it out.
Yay.
Fine, baby.
She's gonna get it now. Oh, look, we find honey in Compasate.
She can't.
Where, honey? Honey, where are you? Where are you, honey? Get it, honey?
Honey, I'm home. Like that.
You ruined the joke. I'm just kidding.
Always do that.
It's all about the honey. It's all about the price tags. It's all about the honey.
Come.
It's
Follow
all
the
about
person with the
price
fox.
tags. It's all about the. Thank you. I would have got lost. Derpy derpy derp. Derpy derpy
Yeah,
derp.
look by the blueberries. Rapey things.
I'm gonna faint. I was in the dark, always scared of the cold. I'm gonna faint. Here, whatever your name is. Wait, yeah. Congrats, 5. The bunnies need a bead. An orange vegetable. That's a carrot. I know what those are. Please don't pick them. That's carrot. Carrot.
She already had it.
Big peg. You big one. An orange vegetable. I'll get ready. Okay. Yes. Oh, strawberry. I got it. Haha, I got it. And it's a fruit. It's a strawberry, of course. You thought it was a tomato. Well, a fact is, tomatoes are fruits, but they're nice and small. Strawberries are small with green leaves, and you steal it. That's a fact, you know that? It's a fact. Okay, the fact of this adventure day is... Mine. Hey, you big, fat, stinky pig. When I was in the...
You know she's probably gonna watch this.
Oh, I'm sorry you're not. I'm a joker, man. You should know that.
Now
Congrats.
refill.
Why should I?
Cause you only have one.
I was in the dark. I always do it. I'm sorry. I feel bad. I actually do. I'm gonna die.
Don't die!
I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I'm gonna die! Gina, help me, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Help me! Oh my, I'm Jeff. I was in the dark.
She
I
said,
was scared.
why? She said why?
My brother Max is trapped inside the cavern by the phantoms. Can you rescue him?
Sure, but We're kind of pros at this.
I don't know this. I don't know this adventure. What do I do? Do I cry?
You're already through.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, you got yeah. I'm gonna cry for some reason.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like crying.
Should I play it for you?
No, I just got tears in my eyes, man. I think I have played this.
Maybe chopped onions.
No, we're not in the kitchen, Jenna. We're in our room. I was in the dark. I'm in the dark all alone. Oh, you got a key, yay. Go girlfriend, go girlfriend, go girlfriend, go girlfriend. We just sound like a bunch of idiots. Well, mostly this one is, but yeah.
Hey!
I was in the dark. I was scared and alone. Ow.
That's why you don't mess with Gina.
Oh. On it, grab it. Pardon? You're talking to me? Okay. Got it. I 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 got it. Oh,
I died from doing that because there was too much fences and I fell down the ladder.
Dirt. I thought you said on it. Grab it. Sorry. Dirt. Congrats, level 10. Congrats. Thank you so much. I can't fit through the door.
It's not worth it to fit through the door. Do, 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 do.
Those two squids are in love. Lolsies. Lolzas.
Don't copy my lolsies.
I started that.
No, lollies.
I don't write that. I just write lols with a Z.
Lolsies. You can actually write lolsies, you know that?
Pink! Pink! It's pink! It's pink! It's pink!
I have a black one of that.
I don't know. You can change it to pink. But it's awesome pink. I want to get a pink one.
You can probably get it on this adventure.
I found a ladder. Hey, look! I think I'm into.
You're supposed to go through here. Find the cabin. Okay. Get the pork.
My cork.
I said pork.
Come! 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 Found cook! Found cook! Found cook! Found cook! Found cook! Can't pick it up.
Has one.
Has one. Hurry! Jay's not coming! Help me! Yeah, she is. Bumps, lumps. We do! To clean the water. Then why would they add this? Would they add this? Then why would they add this, you stupid?
She'll have to go up there herself.
She's gonna be like, oh, derpy, derpy, derp. Oh my gee, there's
And then
a
you
bus.
can't across the water.
Jingle bells, Batman's.
Don't use my thing. It's my wallet. It's full of 10 cents.
Can I have it for the canteen?
No.
Oh, but canteen lollies are so nice. It's like 80 cents a bit. Shut up.
My leg's stuck.
Move, I'm trying to scratch.
These are for
my leg.
emergency money, Taylor.
What type of money?
In case someone steals my money, I got.
I have money.
Okay, how much is this, Taylor? Count.
You count. I'm not bothering.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Awesome. Ah!
Can you buy anything with 50 cents at the canteen?
Yeah, you can buy a fruit salad.
I'm gonna go look in the car for money. I'll be right back after this.
No, that's Dad's money. I'm going timber. You better move. You better dance. Dance through the night. You will remember. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay. Well. I always remember. Why is it laggy? Oh no! Isn't that the best thing to do post program. Okay, YouTube, well, it just lagged out on us for some stupid reason, so I'm gonna end it here. So bye. What am I doing? What? Oh, that's wrong. Feels like a warm cookie. Let's listen to the knife song for 2 minutes. That's not right. Yes. Oh, just wait. Oh, wait. Ah, that's how you do the knife song. Oh no. Yeah, so I wasted a minute doing the knife song, and I'm gonna end the video here because you might be bored looking at a cute little puppy. Bye.